My name is Lenny Spallone Jr., and I'm Vice President of Saugus Autocraft. I was running my father's business with him. He's been doing this now 50 years. Saugus Autocraft is a collision repair facility. The people that are coming to us have had an accident. The part of my job that I enjoy the most is when a customer comes to pick up their car after it's done and they're happy. So customer satisfaction, also keeping my employees happy with their job. Body shops are seeing a lot more ADAS systems come through as cars get more modern. A lot of different cameras, sensors. You got like lane assist, lane departure warning, front collision alert, cruise control assist, 360-degree cameras. No matter what you do to the car, it definitely impacts the safety of the vehicle if you replace a module or radar and then you don't recalibrate it, or even if you take the bumper off and you're moving things around, now it's misaligned and you don't recalibrate it, that could be a safety issue. I never want a car to leave the shop without it being safe. We always thought as body shops that we would have to take them to a dealer. We had no idea that we could have the equipment as well. And it was getting really expensive. And yeah, the vehicle would take forever to go to a dealer and come back, and then there would be an issue, and then you have to send it back, and it wasn't very efficient. I was talking to other people. I was trying to pick their brains and see where their heads were at and what their opinions were. I started getting on the computer and I went down a huge rabbit hole looking into different companies, different types of systems and different people that sell it. And the pricing was up and down, and ultimately we went with Gary through Applied. We have the Autel IA900. Multiple other body shops that we're friends with in the area had it, and it's a full calibration and alignment system that comes with the scanner. Gary and the guys at Applied definitely helped us pick and choose what equipment we needed to do the type of cars that we get more of. And it's been successful ever since, yeah. I definitely got good hands-on training. We went there and worked on actual customers' cars that he had coming through. We have about 4 guys trained to do it. We're still learning. There's a lot of different cars, a lot of different systems, so every day something's different, but we can call up Gary and Rob anytime, and if we want to go there for training at any moment, we just give them a call, and they always answer the phone, so that's good. The Autel is a very easy system to use. The tablet is all wireless, so you plug into the OBD2, and then the tablet reads it, and you can scan the car. There's a lot of stuff you can do with these. ABS, you can do seat weight sensors, you can reset steering angle sensors, programming modules, and check engine light diagnostics. And then from there, it gives you step-by-step direction on what to do, where to put this target, where to hang this laser or this board. User-friendly, for sure. You go through it, you might have to make some adjustments here and there, on the car, off the car, targets, lasers. But for the most part, it's fairly easy to use. The #1 piece of advice I can give to a body shop is don't be scared to make money. The average invoice for a calibration is around $800. One calibration will pay for your bill per month. And I think in 6 months of calibrations, you could probably pay for the whole system. People need to get educated about how much ADAS systems are in vehicles. Do some research and don't be scared to make the jump. It's worth it.